Hello dear friends, this is Virendra. This moment I am inspired to share with you the importance of self-discipline and being enthusiastic in life. We can do anything if we have enthusiasm. Also, the great secret of success is self-discipline. Further, our energy, deep desire, disciplined life, daring, determination, perseverance, persistence, patience, never to quit, never to say never, never give up. All these combined together make us a great, successful person in our life. We have such a great will which never back down. Our energy is so great that we can even dare to drink the ocean and crumble the mountain. With such invincible mind, the power of will, nothing can escape our reach. The great secret of success is also once we are self-disciplined. Regulate our life every moment. Use our time very efficiently and very effectively. Focusing always on our planned task and the process and the various procedures we have defined. Using all our resources. Success is guaranteed. Greatness will be accomplished. Getting ourselves to do what we really need to do, choosing to do what we feel is right, and will bring the results of our life, maybe short term or long term. It is bringing order and efficiency in our life, creating a structure in our life, and doing this enthusiastically with lot of self-motivation and inspiration, and always keeping our dream alive, always keeping our head hold up with belief, conviction and faith in our power of personality. Success comes from taking charge of ourselves and feeling proud of ourselves every moment. It's easy to have faith in ourselves when we are a winner, when we are number one. But what happens to us when we are suffering a series of failures and defeats, and still we have the same courage, the same conviction, the same daring, determination, dedication and devotion? Then we are real heroes, because life is not a bed of roses. We have to also compromise with the thorns, hills and valleys. Both will be in our path. So we have to enjoy every moment in happiness. Most people never run for enough on their first win to find out where they are going. Let's give ourselves, our dreams, all we have got, and we will be amazed the energy that comes out of us. Our great goals will attract us. We will be moving faster towards our goal. The height of our accomplishment will equal to the depth of our conviction and determination and passion, the great love for the task we are in our hand. We are continuously faced by great opportunity, brilliantly disguised as insoluble problems. So if we dare to solve the problems, everything becomes our success. We can't discover new oceans unless we have the courage to lose sight of the shore once told by Columbus the Great, who discovered America. Success is always to be found on the other side of the fear. The fear itself is a great fear. We must attack fear first. We must attack all those kind of disadvantages, obstacles, impediments. There lies the hidden secret of our greatness. The secret of productive goal setting is establishing clearly defined goals, writing them down and then focusing on them several times a day with words and emotions as if we have already achieved them. And then the power of the universe will back us, support us, because of our dreams become the dreams of our Lord. He will back us. Let's seek His help. He will get it. Let's knock at His door. He will open it. Let's ask Him. The Father in the heaven is prepared to answer our every question. Life's greatest accomplishments are those that at first seem very impossible and difficult. We never worked a day in our life if we really make our job fun working. We love it. We have passion for it. We are ready to do sustained effort. And we never give up because we enjoy doing it. That is the secret of success. Once Thomas Edison said, I never worked a day in my life. It was all fun. We must have long-term goal to keep us from being frustrated with the short-term failures. One step at a time is enough for us. Impatience is simply a way of beating ourselves. Let's never be afraid to try something new. We can accomplish unrealistic, unseen, unheard of. Let's dream who nobody dreamed ever. Sir Thomas Alva Edison did that, and so he was the most successful person on earth. One person with a belief is equal to 99 who have only interests. Begin difficult things while they are easy. Do great things while they are small. The difficult things of the world must once have been easy. The great things must once have been small. 1,000 miles journey begins with one step. Let's start now. And as Will Smith told once, he constructed a huge wall. But the secret of success was focusing on only one brick, putting 100% effort, very sincerely, aligning it perfectly all right. Nobody is going to make the whole wall at a time. It took him near about 1.5 years. But he could make it a perfect wall, which only the great expert can do. Dear friends, I wish these encouraging words will fill your heart, mind and soul with energy. And you will also believe that you are also a great person. Simply you have to manifest that. You have to discover your greatness like the golden diamonds which are hidden in the earth. But with perseverance, persistence and patience, the miners bring it out and invite all the abundance in their life. I wish you great success. I wish you great happiness. Thanks for watching video.